If you own a carpet cleaning business and you've heard people talk about getting customers from Google, then you've probably wondered to yourself, how do I get my own customers from Google? That's what I want to talk about today, and I'm not going to do a screen share or anything like that. I'm just going to talk with you about how exactly does it work to get customers from Google for a carpet cleaning business. I'm going to use an example. We'll talk about Kelly down the street who needs her carpets cleaned today. So let's say, for instance, Kelly lives down the street from you, right? Kelly's got a house, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. She's got carpet in most of the bedrooms, in the living room, in the den, in the hallways, and on the stairs, right? This is a great customer, probably worth a couple $100 to your average carpet cleaner. So Kelly needs her carpet cleaned today. And what is she gonna do? First thing Kelly's gonna do is she's probably gonna take out her phone, or maybe if she's at work on her laptop, sitting at her desk, she's gonna go to Google. No matter what device she's on, she's probably gonna go to Google. These days, people go to Google for pretty much everything. If you need a cleaner, it's probably the first place you're gonna look, because Google has great search results. I mean, let's be honest, if you're looking for a carpet cleaner near me, carpet cleaning in Seattle, carpet cleaning in New Orleans, carpet cleaning in Minneapolis, wherever, right? Google has an incredible list of the best carpet cleaners near you. Google also has reviews. There's often photos. They've got links to all the different websites, the different review sites. There's links to videos. There's ads. There's map listings. There's all kinds of stuff on Google search results. And so people tend to go to Google anytime they need anything, because Google tells them exactly what they need. If you have a question that you need answered, you go to Google and Google answers it for you. So Kelly needs her carpets cleaned today. She doesn't know who to call. She's never had her carpets cleaned before. Maybe she just moved to town, right? Kelly's new to Seattle. She's never hired a carpet cleaner before. So she's going to search for carpet cleaner near me or carpet cleaning Seattle or something like that. And Google's going to give her an entire list of carpet cleaners who are nearby. Google's going to give her the reviews on those cleaners. And on average, Kelly's probably going to spend about 10, 15 minutes looking through those results, reading through reviews before she decides to pick up the phone and call somebody. So Kelly hones in on carpet cleaner, right? Let's say AAA carpet cleaning. They showed up near the top of the search results. Kelly saw their ad right away. Then she scrolled down and she saw AAA again in the map section, right? And in that map section, it said that AAA carpet cleaning had 45 5-star reviews, and their average rating is 4.9 stars. Okay, she read through some of those reviews. She saw that they were recent. They looked like they were from real customers. Some of those customers even posted pictures with their review. So Kelly knows that that other customer had their carpets cleaned, were happy with the results, and they were happy enough that they took a picture of it and posted it with a 5-star review of that carpet cleaner. So at that point, Kelly says, AAA is the right company for me. She picks up the phone, she calls AAA carpet cleaning. That's where Jerry at AAA carpet cleaning steps in. So Jerry's on the other end of the phone. He says, "Hello, AAA carpet cleaning, this is Jerry, how can I help you?" Jerry just met a new customer. He has no idea where Kelly came from. All he knows is that his phone just rang. So Kelly says, "Hey Jerry, I just found you on Google and I was reading your reviews and it looks like you do a really good job cleaning carpets. I need my carpets cleaned this week. Do you have any time available in your schedule?" Jerry says, "Hey Kelly, I'm glad you found me on Google. I'm glad you saw our reviews. A lot of customers find us that way. Yeah, I've got availability this Thursday. Could we fit you in at 1 p.m.? Just like that, Jerry's met a customer from Google, and it happens like that pretty much all day, every day. So as you can see, the most important piece here is that Jerry and AAA carpet cleaning showed up near the top of Google search results when Kelly was searching for a carpet cleaner. If Jerry had not shown up there, if somebody else down the street showed up instead, let's say Josh at Smart Carpet Cleaning, if Josh showed up there instead, then Josh might be the one answering the phone and talking with Kelly, and Josh might be going to clean her carpets later this week. So it's really important that you show up on Google, and that's kind of what this whole digital marketing thing is all about. So let's say you own a cleaning business, and you want to get this set up so that your cleaning business shows up near the top of Google, and anytime somebody like Kelly needs their carpets cleaned, you're available, your business shows up on Google, and you win the job. How do you actually get that set up? Well, there's a variety of ways that you can do that, and that's where you can start to get into topics like search engine optimization or SEO. You might learn about things like Google Business Profile, or as it used to be called, Google My Business. You might even learn about things like Google Local Service Ads, how to get Google Guaranteed, or even Google Ads. There's all kinds of ways that you can show up on the top of Google search results. You can even do it with a Facebook page, a Yelp page, or even a free website, right? There's a variety of ways that you can get on the first page of Google. And my best recommendation is that you actually pursue multiple ways of getting on the first page. I would recommend that you have a website for your carpet cleaning business, because you want to have a main hub, a main home for your carpet cleaning business. And these days, that's your website. Actually, it could also be your Google Business Profile. You could argue that a Google Business Profile is almost more important than your website these days, because you can actually show up on Google with just a business profile without even having a website. but that's a topic for another day. So let's just say that your website is your home base. You're also going to want, like I said, a Google business profile. That's also critical to your digital marketing strategy. If you have both of those things, that's 2 different spots on Google that your carpet cleaning business is eligible to show up. Anytime somebody picks up the phone and says, I need a carpet cleaner near me, Google's carpet cleaner near me and looks at the search results. That's 2 different ways that you could show up there. Now, there's a third way, which is local service ads. You might have heard of Google Guaranteed. That's a way to get your business way up at the top of Google. And if you want to get your phone ringing, if you want to get phone calls, that's a great way to do it because you can pay Google per call. Another way that you can get your business on the top of Google search results is with Google Ads. Google Ads is a way that you can pay per click and get your business right up at the top of Google as well. So as you can see, there's a variety of ways that you can get your cleaning business there. And if you do multiple things at once, you can get your business on Google in multiple places. Imagine how it looks for Kelly, the customer, when she's searching for a carpet cleaner and she sees your business at the top of Google, and she scrolls down and she sees you again, and then she scrolls down and sees you again and again. You're pretty much dominating the first page of Google. You're giving yourself the best chance of winning anybody who is searching for a carpet cleaner that day. Okay, I want to stop here and talk about why you would want to pay to advertise on Google, because some people say, why would I want to pay to advertise on Google when I can show up there for free? And the important thing to remember is that paying to advertise, that's a lever that you can pull in your business. So if you know that you spend $1,000 on Google and it brings you $2,000, $3,000, or $4,000 back every single month, if you decide you want to grow your business, what do? You increase your ad spend and you spend more money with Google and get more calls, right? So if you spend $2,000 on ads this month, maybe it'll bring you $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 back. You see what I mean? It's a lever you can pull where anytime you increase your budget, in theory, it should bring in more people to your website, more phone calls, more leads, more online bookings. So advertising on Google is a great way to give you a direct lever, a direct control over how much call volume your carpet cleaning business has every month. I highly recommend that you do a little bit of both. It makes sense for you to show up organically for free on Google, get as high up organically as you can on Google so that you can get as many calls without paying as possible. But from there, you want to also advertise so that you can completely fill your schedule, fill up a second, a third, a fourth van. The more that you advertise, the bigger company you can grow. And then if you combine that with great customer service, with asking for reviews, with asking for referrals, you can grow the lifetime value of those customers, get them to come back year after year, get them to refer their friends and family, their neighbors. You can grow a bigger business. If you're not sure how to do this for your own cleaning business, go to bookcleaningjobs.com/cheat-sheet. I put together a simple cheat sheet to help you get all these pieces in place so that your business stands the best chance of showing up on Google and you stand the best chance of booking more cleaning jobs. So if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'll try to answer all the questions that I get. And if I get any really good questions, I might make a video answering those questions later on. Make sure you hit like if you got any value out of this video at all and hit subscribe if you want to grow your carpet cleaning business. I'm Ruben with bookcleaningjobs.com. Thanks a lot.